guys, so doing a little wire pulling today. These are some of the feeders and finishing this one right here, which is currently still like 25 feet long. So got the wire roll over there, and here's a bunch of other wire rolls that we have to do. So we're just working on pulling this one in. Gonna check if it's long enough right now, so just taking a little break while we wait. So I've been doing this all day. It's been going real fast. It's really nice outside. It's like 60 something, so first time I've been in my t-shirt this whole year, so that's good. So anyways, so if you guys remember, these all used to be pipes out here. Now we have the gear on top of it. So these are the pipes still. The gear just sits on top of it. But first of all, we got to pull in the string. This string broke off inside here, so we're kind of messed up right now, but it's not getting enough suction. So what you usually do is you stick the vacuum in here in one of the pipes. Someone's on the other side with this string and a baggie like this. You tie the baggie onto the string, and then it sucks through, creates like a vacuum. The vacuum sucks it in, and then you pull it out, and then you tie a rope onto the string, and then from there you use the rope and tie it onto the wire. And then there's a tugger on the other side, like basically a whole hog with a drill, and it has the system. You put the rope through it, and it basically feeds itself. You just turn the drill on and it pulls itself. Basically you just keep tension on the rope and it pulls it. So this one's almost done. We're checking it to see if it's long enough, and then we're trying to get this next one set up, but it's having some problems. So we're going to check that out here in a second once he gives me a ring. So it's basically just using a ton of lube and putting that down there, because that's probably one of the tougher ones. So we just stop every 10-15 feet and then put some more lube down there to make it pull smoothly. Here's your ground bar right here to make up the grounds. Yep. And then you got, basically, I'm guessing this is your neutral, and then your A phase, B phase, C phase, because this is a 3-phase system, I'm assuming. So anyways, this other side is hot over here. I'll show you this. So this is what it looks like when it's done. Got your breakers in here, that one's not done. So these 3 bars are hot right here. These are hot right there. And then these breakers are on. So got your neutral bar on the bottom that are whites, your ground bar on the bottom, and your breaker right here, parallel feeds. So that's a 2 parallel wires, 2 parallel wires, 2 parallel wires, and then 2 parallel wires. So that's what it looks like, y'all. I'm not sure how much power this is, but they got the transformer over there feeding it. So yep, so don't touch it, probably die. So alright guys, end of the day, we got this stuff picked up. This door ain't gonna be able to close, so it's just gonna stay open. This isn't hot, so it's all good. Here's the string I was telling you about yesterday. So as you can see right here, the dikes really help to cut that nice and not straight, but just to cut it nice and quick, nice quick clean cut. So I'll put that over here. But anyways, this is what we worked on. I'm not sure how many we got done today. It was like 3 to 5, I'm not sure. So I had to pull the rest of these in by hand. I didn't, but coworker did. So seen it done before and he did a good job. So anyways, we were using the lube a bunch every 10 or 15 feet, and I'm on my way to go buy the giveaway dikes for Eric. He did contact me at 8:30 last night, so I'm happy that he got a hold of me and didn't have to give it to someone else, because that would really make me feel bad. So here we go. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that today went by really quick. That's really why I love pulling wire so much. Not because I enjoy pulling wire, but just because it makes the day go by so fast. Really happy that I went to work today. My back feels really good right now. See how it feels in the morning. Hopefully pulling all that wire didn't hurt it too bad, but really good day and happy to have gone to work today. So that's awesome. I'm gonna go buy these pliers real quick. I'm gonna go to the one store I like, but if they cost too much, I'm gonna go to Home Depot, and basically if they don't, I don't even know, I'm gonna have to cut this, but anyways, I'm going to buy these tools from the store that I like. If it costs too much, I'll go to Home Depot or call another store. I was thinking they were $26, but that was like 6 or 7 years ago, so I think they're $33 now, which is over the $30 budget, but I'm gonna get you the good pair. I'm not gonna cheap out on you, Eric, so I'm gonna go do that right now, and I will show you when I'm done. So we're gonna grab you this one right here. The diagonal cutter, angled head. This package is a little bit different, but same thing. Alrighty, Eric, here we go. We got your angled diagonal cutters right here. I don't know, online they said whatever. Anyways, it's the same thing, they just have a different name these days. So anyways, here's your blue dikes, diagonal cutters, diagonal side cutters, or whatever you want to call them. So get these probably shipped out tomorrow. Tomorrow I will package it up, to basically just throw some cardboard over it or something, and then I will write your address down and show me shipping it out, hiding your address of course. So here are your dikes, $32.28, so a little over 30 bucks, but it's all for you, man, it's all for you. All right, so I'm just going to put this here. This is my homemade packaging, so forgive me, but it's gonna work. Just gonna sandwich it in here, staple it together, put some tape around the edges, put your address on there. And it was actually under $30, but because of tax, $2.50, that's why I pushed it over $30. So if I would have bought it in Oregon, I probably would have been fine, but I don't got time for that, so let's get to it. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the package. I'm just gonna write the address on there. You can hear it in there, but you can also see from the time lapse the dikes are in here. So I'm gonna write Eric's address out and then get that going. I just wanted to give you guys a time lapse to let you guys know that I'm the real deal here. I want to eliminate all speculation that this is a fake giveaway. This is real. So I'm going to ship this out. I will video me going to the post office, and I'm going to try to do that right now before they close. Alright, here we go. Alrighty, so I just shipped it off. It was $7, which is ridiculous, but whatever, gotta do what you gotta do. Eric lives close enough I could have drove it to him, but it would have been more than that in gas, but he was busy and working crazy hours, so couldn't do that. Here's the tracking number, so it is on its way. Eric, I hope you enjoy it. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check out the description down below for social medias and all that good stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to support me and say thanks for the video, and ring the notification bell if you want to know when I upload videos or do live streams. So thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. And if you see a Corvette parked out in the middle of nowhere, please don't park next to it. You're just being a tool.